Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. So yes, as the title suggests, the Nova 7 series is indeed coming, and since I've got my hands on the Nova 7 SE earlier than its release date, I've actually decided to get all the necessary apps to work to help you see whether or not this favorite apps works, especially here in Malaysia. So let's check it out. So as mentioned in my previous videos, I will link at the card above, as the quickest way to get the apps to work is of course to use the phone clone app, and I've cloned all my apps from the Huawei Mate 30 Pro to the Nova 7 SE, as you guys can see, and there's no worries about using all of my favorite apps on the Nova 7 SE. Now, if the Nova 7 SE is your first Android phone, or if you want to start from scratch and never ever downloaded any apps before, you can always use the Huawei's own app store, which is called the Huawei's App Gallery, where in case you guys are not aware that Huawei's App Gallery is currently the world's third largest app store, and there's many local apps already available in there. Since its first introduction, it has been growing tremendously as well. So I've decided to get the apps into categories for your easy reference, and these apps are a combination of getting them from the Huawei App Gallery, some from the quick apps, and even some web shortcuts. So if you guys have any questions on the exact apps that you would like to get and from where that I get it, be sure to let me know at the comment section below. Now first, let's look at the shopping apps. There's Shopee, Lazada, GoShop, Muda.my, Zalora, and many more. And as for the chatting and the navigation apps, you can transfer WhatsApp through the phone clone app as mentioned earlier. And yes, the chat history is also available as well, as you guys can see. Then there's other apps like WeChat, Line, and Viber chat app, and there's so many other options for you guys to choose from. As for navigation apps, there's Waze, offline maps, and in case you guys haven't heard of this app called Here We Go, it's also a brilliant navigation app where the Here We Go maps can also be used indoors, such as inside of the shopping malls as well. Next, let's look at the gaming apps. There's Asphalt 9, PUBG, and COD Mobile, which you can get it through the Tap app, which I'll talk about later. Then there's the direct app gallery downloads for games such as Naruto Slugfest, Knights of Valor, and many more. Then looking at the banking apps, and yes, it is safe. In case you guys are wondering, you find apps like CIMB Clicks, Maybank to You, MyEG, Touch and Go Wallet, and many more, which is a combination of direct apps and browser shortcuts as well. Under the entertainment category, you'll easily find apps like Huawei Music, Huawei Video, YouTube through the browser shortcut, or you can get the YouTube Vents for a similar app-like experience. Then as for Netflix, I did do a workaround the last time for it to work through the APK Pure, which I'll link at the card above. And there's iFlix, Shock, and there's other cinema related apps once the cinemas are back open, of course. And just so you guys know, currently there's up to 3 months of free premium access for the Huawei Video 2. Then looking at the telecommunication and the news app, there are apps like Maxis, MyDigi, The Star, Astro Awani, Malay Mail, and many more. And finally, all the social apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all works flawlessly as well. However, there's also an additional tip or a new app that I've found, which is called Find Apps, where you can find it inside of the Huawei App Gallery itself, where in there you'll be able to easily find any apps of your choice easily through there. So for me, this is almost like having a different version of an app store within the app gallery, where as you guys can see, you can go to the frequently used apps like Grab, as it shows a link on where exactly that you can get it from, and in this case it shows that you can get it directly from the app gallery. Or within there, you can also choose Waze as mentioned earlier, where there is a direct link to either get it through the web version or through APK Pure, which was really convenient. And yes, the same can be applied to other apps as well. However, if you're still having problems trying to get any other apps of your choice, there are still other ways for you guys to get the apps directly to your phone from Aurora Store, Aptoide, and I've also discovered an app called Tap, which is also an app which you can download through APK Pure, which again is like a different version of an app store. So yes, there is plenty of options indeed. Alright, if you guys have missed the video about surviving without Google, here is another clear recap on each apps under Google that Huawei devices have. Now, like the Google Play Store, Huawei has its own app gallery, and then where there is Chrome, there's also the Huawei browser. Google Drive is similar to Huawei Cloud, where you can store your files and photos over there. Then Gmail app is the same as the native email app like iOS devices. Then there's also WPS Premium, where you can manage all the Microsoft related spreadsheets and documents. And the same can be said for the video calling and the reading apps, music and video apps as well. So guys, there you have it. This is the updated video on the current findings that I've managed to let you guys know that can work with the upcoming release of the Huawei Nova 7 series or any other Huawei devices itself. With this, do let me know if you guys have any questions to ask at the comment section below, and hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.